Hi! In our Korbo games today, we're going to play observers once again. Today, we're going to play the game What is Missing Here? Let's get some platforms and some gears, as well as several cylinders and connectors. First, as a warm-up, we ask the child to look carefully at all the elements in front of us. Later, we ask them to close their eyes or look away, and we take away one or two items. Let's open our eyes. We're checking what's missing here. In this case, these two rollers were missing. Of course, when all the pieces are on the table, it's much easier for us. Now let's make it more difficult. From what we have, we're going to build a simple construction first. We can of course build together with the child. So let's build a simple construction. When it's ready, we give it to the children, asking them to look at each element carefully. We ask the child to look away or close their eyes. We take away one piece, and again we ask, what's missing here? In this case, one cylinder is missing. Put it back. Of course, our structure can be very simple at first. Over time, these constructions can get more sophisticated. Then such tasks really require being a very good observer. That's all for today. Bye for now.